Hi, my name is Natalia Cardona and this is my video presentation about the summer internship that I did this summer. The internship was at fqubed, a pharmaceutical company that is part of a larger Canadian company called Nouveau Research. fqubed stands for Fluids and Fluidized Formulations. Its um, its major goal is to develop drugs that have less side effects than the ones that we are used to. They use a transdermal drug delivery system, which means that drugs are absorbed through skin and they have less side effects because they just attack the spot that you want to treat, not all your body. My project was skin retention studies. I used snake skin. I pre-treated the snake skin with proprietary enhancer 1 and 2 and then soaked the skin in a saturated solution of the antifungal, which was the drug that we were testing. The antifungal solutions were in two different pHs. We had a pH 5.5 and a pH 7.4. That was soaking for 24 hours. After that, the skin was cleaned several times. That was a pretty delicate procedure because the snake skin is very thin. And each piece I had 60 pieces, 60 squares, about half of this in size, and they were cleaned 3 times, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. After that, the skin was soaked in ethanol and homogenized so that the skin could occupy more volume of the ethanol. That was soaked for another 24 hours. After that, the skin was filtrated, and then the ethanol was the concentration of the methanol was measured to calculate the amount of antifungal retained by the skin. The results obtained after this procedure were as seen in the graph that's in the poster. The skin soaked in saturated solution with pH 7.4 had an insignificant retention compared to a solution with pH 5.5. We can see that in the graph the big bars are from the 5.5 saturated solution, and the other ones are from the 7.4. The skin pre-treated with proprietary enhancer 1 and soaked in saturated solution with pH 5.5 show no retention, and skin pre-treated with proprietary permeation enhancer 2 and soaked in saturated solution with pH 5.5 showed some retention compared to the control samples. Those were my results, and that was the part that I liked the most about my internship. But I also worked in the database of the company. I added hundreds of companies that work with pharmaceutical products, and especially using the transdermal drug delivery system. So I got to know how the company works in the office and in the lab. So I like that. Right now I'm studying at the University of Iowa. This is my dorm, and I got a job at one of the immunology labs here at the university. I'm starting from the very beginning. I'm washing dishes, I'm refilling the liquid nitrogen, and stuff like that, but that's how we start. So I'll let you know when I'm doing more interesting stuff. Bye. I miss you.